By just looking at it, you would think it's just a regular phone. It has the typical screen ratios and a thickness of an Apple iPhone 15 until it unfolds into a slate. Hi, my name is Joshua Wong. Welcome to Fastway episode 113. I do short and fast tech reviews on this channel. That's how the name came about. This is the Honor Magic V2. It has the thickness of an ordinary candy bar phone while having a second large 7.92-inch folding screen. How is that possible? All this comes from the advanced folding mechanic hinge and the use of new silicon carbon dual battery. The Honor Magic V2 is constructed with premium materials like glass, metals, and titanium for its hinge. The hinge allows the device to open at an angle between 60 to 150 degrees, and when folded, there's no gap between the two halves. Because the device is so slim and has smooth curved side frames, I find it difficult to unfold, especially with sweaty or oily fingers. According to Honor, the hinge on the Magic V2 has been tested to withstand over 400,000 folds. That's over 36 years if you unfold it 30 times a day. You can use it just with the front 6.43-inch 120Hz LTPO OLED display, as it features a more usable 20:9 screen-to-body ratio. The panel has HDR10 Plus support and has a remarkable 2500 nits max peak brightness. Now come to the highlights of this device: the folding 7.92-inch 120Hz OLED display. The crease is still there, but very noticeable compared to other folding phones. The display is as excellent as the display cover. It can output up to 1600 nits max peak brightness and support HDR10 Plus and IMAX enhanced playback, providing a fantastic media consumption experience. Coming to performance, the Honor Magic V2 is powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. It may not be the latest chip this year, but it still offers fantastic performance for everyday needs, be it for productivities or even gaming. It is paired with 16GB of memories and a generous 512GB of internal storage. Apps launches quickly and runs snappy. The gameplay is smooth and you can even switch from cover display to the inner display seamlessly for a more immersive experience. The Honor Magic V2 runs on Magic OS 7.2 based on Android 13, and Honor promises 4 years of OS upgrade and 5 years of securities update, which is on par with other flagship phones out there. It supports multitasking with up to 3 apps open simultaneously, and you could add even more apps and store them in the sidebar for quicker access. This can be a great feature for power users. Unlike usual instances, while foldable phones tend to cut corners in camera performance, this is not the case here. The Honor Magic V2 has a pretty versatile camera setup: a 50-megapixel primary camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera with autofocus, and a 20-megapixel 2.5x telephoto camera. There are two 16-megapixel selfie cameras on the display covers and inner display. It captures sharp and detailed images, similar to what I like on the Honor Magic 5 Pro. It's slightly vibrant in colors and is ready to share on social media without the needs of any editing. The same goes for the ultra-wide and 2.5x telephoto cameras. It shoots sharp and vibrant images. The telephoto can shoot up to 10 times hybrid zoom while maintaining great sharpness and details in good lighting condition. It performs not too badly in low lighting condition with the assistance of AI enhancement. While having such a thin and slim design, the Honor Magic V2 is packed with a big 5000 mAh cell, which is more than any other foldable phone out there. This is possible with the new silicon batteries that have a thickness of only 2.72mm. Despite having two high-resolution 120Hz display, it can easily last a full day with at least 20% battery remaining thanks to the well-optimized Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and Magic OS for a good battery experience. Now comes to the charging. The Honor Magic V2 features Honor 66W Supercharge, which takes the device from 0% to 100% in under 50 minutes. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging, which is a bummer on how perfect it has made so far in this review. Samsung may lead the pack in foldable, but the Honor Magic V2 show how it should be done. It may not be perfect, but I find it's on the right track. That's all from me on the new Honor Magic V2. If you have any questions, do drop them in the comment box below. I'll be sure to answer them. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe. Take care and I'll see you at the next one.